Welcome back into another video. My name's Luke W, and in this one we're going to be looking at Alibaba.com's Elite Partner event, where they're picking the cream of the crop best suppliers to put at your fingertips so we can get the competitive edge at shipping products into Amazon as fast as possible, or whatever marketplace you decide to sell in. One of the most important things I look for when selecting a supplier is my ability to communicate with them. That's going to be top notch and help you get the best prices and understand exactly what you're going to be getting with your products. These suppliers are going to have top-notch communication and 94% response rates. And in this video, I'm not only going to show you how to navigate the different features and see what the company profiles look like, but I'm also going to show you on Amazon.com how many sales a month and the revenue generated by these particular products. So let's hop behind my computer and check it out right now. So here we are on Alibaba.com at the Elite Partner Event homepage. I will have a link for this right down below so you can check it out yourself. This is again where we're going to find overall suppliers with ratings of over 4.9 stars out of Satisfactory, and we're talking like billion-dollar companies here. I'm going to show you an example. For instance, one of the companies, Yunnan Baiyao, who's literally on the Forbes website with over $21.8 billion in market cap. So this is no sluff here. These are big companies you have an opportunity to work with. And especially for you beginners out there, these are going to be suppliers you can work with and have little to no worry on whether or not they're going to be good or not. They have an average response rate of 94% or higher. Like I said, over 10 years experience in their markets. So these are all verified suppliers and authenticated by Alibaba.com, having a verified supplier badge, like I can show you here on Yunnan Baiyao's homepage. You can see on their company profile, if I just click on this right here, they are a verified supplier, and that is the highest badge you can possibly get, which means they've gone through some of the most scrupulous, in-depth investigation to make sure they are who they say they are, and they have been verified by a world-leading inspection company who's gone on-site to their manufacturer and to their testing rooms to make sure everything they're producing is the highest possible quality. Now, you'd be surprised at some of the products that come out of these businesses and how much money they make. And that's why I'm going to show you some of the sales revenue that these products make on Amazon.com, because one of the biggest investments you can make for yourself and your own wealth going forward is choosing from one of these awesome high-class suppliers, getting great products, putting your own private label brand on it, and shipping it into a storefront. For instance, I sell on Amazon, and I can use that marketplace as a springboard to launch the brand and make tens of thousands of dollars per month and much, much more. So one of the brands, for instance, Lao Gan Ma, which is actually a chili crisp spice company, is one of these companies that just straight up took off. This company originated from a small food stand and is now being exported to over 30 countries worldwide. They even have some big names and celebrities behind it. For instance, US professional wrestler John Cena is a huge fan. Facebook group sings its praises, and a clothing brand even sold a hoodie with Lao Gan Ma's logo on it. So just a small brand, something like a spice company, has taken off, gotten celebrity backing, and you know these guys are pulling millions and millions of dollars from their products that they've been able to mass produce with the help of some of these elite partners here on Alibaba.com. So what I really like about this Elite Partner event is they've picked suppliers with wide varieties of different products. We already talked about Yunnan Baiyao, and they're a global multi-billion-dollar company in the healthcare brand. So if you're looking for health products, we could easily go contact them. And they most likely have resources to get you many different types of products. And I will show you how to find these on their company website. Under products, you can see they have ready-to-go drop shipping products and many more from there. And also they have varieties in other products like electronics. They have home care and furnishings if you're looking for that. You can build your own brand from these super high quality suppliers here for home furnishings, or you can come down, do other gadgets and accessories, clothing companies, and even pet products. So they've picked an awesome variety of suppliers to choose from. Again, check the link below so you can look in depth at these company profiles. All you have to do is click on it, and you'll be able to pop right into their company profile, see what they have to offer in terms of promotions and special offers for their elite event, but also make sure to check out their products here. You can scroll over any of these categories and open up hundreds of different products within each one of these little categories here. I mean, I can already see if I scroll down a little bit, they have this pet care cup. It looks like a dog water bottle. And I've taken the pleasure of already typing this in on Amazon, dog water bottle. And we can see it's pretty much the same product that they have here on their website. Now you can talk to the supplier, and one of the biggest things I teach people, and if you're interested to learn how to sell on Amazon, I will have my full Amazon course linked down below. But one of the things that we have to do is actually stand out. If everyone's selling the same exact product, which it pretty much seems like they are here, you could easily differentiate yourself by selling a 2-pack. And you see, if one of these is going for $23 here, you can do a 2-pack for $29.99, and it's pretty much an offer for the customer to see, hey, I can buy one and get the next one half off. Now, the thing that you want to do before you get any products going is also have Helium 10. So I will have this as well linked down below with a discount code for it, but you're able to see how many sales a month each one of these listings is doing. So this guy right here that we saw for $18 is doing 27,000 sales a month. That's over $500,000 in revenue. Now, the reviews are very high for these types of products, which makes it competitive, but if we differentiate ourselves with a 2-pack or some other type of bundle, you can cut your way into this market and just order from that supplier, and they'll be happy to create a special bundle for you. If you say, hey, I see these products have a lot of potential on Amazon, what do you think we can do in terms of creating a bundle? Can they make a special packaging and do a 2-pack for you? Most likely they can. These people have every bit of power to create anything that you really want and ship it into Amazon. Since these are already pre-made products, you can do a his and hers, maybe a blue and a pink one. Have the supplier create a custom package where they can fit both items in it, and maybe slap your own logo on it, ship it in, and you've now started your own brand there on Amazon. Also, I wanted to show you how to investigate yourself whether a supplier is good, whether you're looking at the Elite Partner event or just any other supplier. So if you click on any supplier homepage here, you can come to where it says Company Overview and select that. And then right here, it's going to show you they've been here on Alibaba for a total of 6 years. And it's going to give you a nice overview of their company here. Oftentimes they have their certifications and testing down here, so we can scroll down a little bit, see their CE certificate, their certificate of conformity. And these are things that you want to make sure your suppliers have before you send any products, whether you're importing them to the US or any other country or into Amazon. Oftentimes, if you have a topical product, something you're rubbing on the skin, Amazon will note that and make you show certain certifications. So you want to make sure your supplier has all that before you ship it in. Another huge thing I look at on the company homepage, it's pretty much right from the top. If you go down a little bit here, you'll see this, manufacturer/trading company. I love it when it shows this. Sometimes you'll just find it showing a trading company. If it's just a trading company, oftentimes it's as if you're buying from a middleman. You're not buying originally from the manufacturer. When you buy from the manufacturer, you know you're getting the premium product with the most customization options, and you're getting it for the lowest cost. If you're going with just a trading company, they're probably going to be ordering it from another manufacturer, so you'll be paying a little upcharge because they got to make a profit too. So always make sure that the business type here is showing manufacturer and trading company. So we can even pop into this other supplier and do the same thing there. This is the Yunnan Baiyao company, like I showed you on the Forbes website, with almost a $22 billion market cap. I would just do the same thing here to verify them. And also in the upper corner here, you can see it looks like they've only been on Alibaba for 1 year, but you want to also keep in mind, look out for this little badge here. This is the trade assurance badge. That means if your supplier has this, when you make your payment, you're paying through Alibaba, and there's really no way a supplier can just run away with your money. Alibaba won't release these funds to the supplier until your product has been okayed, shipped out, and you're satisfied with the order. Then I scroll down, see right here again, their manufacturer/trading company. That's great. And then I can scroll right over any of their products to see anything I would be looking out for. Now, this is a female sanitary product type company, but don't get me wrong, these types of products that people use once and throw away can make a ton of money, and you'll be able to get repeat buyers. So for instance, we're looking at like female maxi pads here or whatever, and if I pull the numbers up here on Helium 10, we can get an idea of how much money these guys are making per month. And another thing I like to do is keep an eye out for the brands. It looks like Always and You by Kotex, and usually I stay away from products when I notice there's only a couple brands that are dominating the marketplace. But just look at the sheer volume of sales and revenue happening for each one of these listings here. This listing's doing 22,000 sales a month $441,000 in revenue. And I like to see the total revenue happening in the marketplace for just the last 30 days, almost $7 million in revenue. This is a huge injection of just cash stimulus into an e-commerce type niche. And I like that Alibaba.com is taking the guesswork out of you in this elite partner event. They're giving you the best supplier so you don't have to wonder, am I getting the best quality product? Are customers gonna have a problem with this? Am I gonna have the right certifications? Everything is already taken care of for you right here. And these hand-picked elite partner suppliers are gonna have the best innovations as far as these types of products even go. I read that they have the patented probiotic type cotton that's just gonna help keep everything sanitary down there when it's that time of the month, I guess. But they also have an antibacterial rate of 99.99% in 20 minutes, and they're an innovator in natural plant extract applications. So this is definitely where I would start. You can scroll down the page, read all about their deals. They're exporting to 13 different countries right now, so you can easily ship to Australia, Europe, Asia, and the United States. They have many global partners. They're already working with Walmart. So if you want to get the lowest deals and be working with the biggest companies and you have an inspiration to start any of these types of products, you know this is where you want to go to get it. And I can see they have a little 10% off deal right here. But when you want to contact them, you just come up to this little contact button. You will have to create an Alibaba account. You see I have my little Luke W. Alibaba account here. But I'll have a link below. Once you get in Alibaba, right up in this area, you will be able to create your own account. It's totally free. I recommend getting it because whether you want to sell these types of products or anything else, all you have to do is type in the product that you're looking for, press contact supplier, and you're gonna get the wholesale prices. Anything that I have in my house right here, candle holders, these probably came from overseas and they're marked up in the United States by 5 times or something like that. So having an Alibaba.com can unlock so much potential for you going forward. You can get a product for a low price and ship it over to the United States where you can sell it for a whole lot more. Simply by finding your supplier, pressing contact. You won't be able to contact them either until you make your account. So use the Alibaba.com link below, get signed up there. They have their company address. This is simply what I would throw right into an Amazon shipping plan, and Amazon will say, okay, you're shipping from there. Here's the address to our Amazon warehouse. Go ahead, ship everything right on in, and you create your product listing, and then it's live for sale right there. So beyond the elite partner events, if I want to come up to Alibaba search here, I'm just going to say skateboard deck, because I love to skateboard, and let's just see if we can find a good supplier this quick here. So when you type in skateboards, you'll be able to see all the different skateboards down here. You see the company names right down here, and there's gonna be different companies. So this is a different company, this is a different company, and you see these boards I can get for like $9 to $10 or something, and they sell for $50 to $60 here in the United States. It's going to give you an overview of if they're a verified supplier, whether or not they have trade assurance, where they are based, and their rating on supplier indexes. It will also show you the amount of transactions that have happened in the last 6 months. So there's been over $450,000 in 183 transactions purchased here recently. And you can easily see this supplier is going to be better than the one down here. This supplier has the gold rating badge here, but that's one level down from actually being a verified supplier. So that's the best badge you can get. Gold supplier is still really good, but they don't have that many transaction histories or a good star rating here. So they haven't gotten many reviews. And you also see the minimum order quantity. You have to order 500 pieces just to get an order from these guys. Oftentimes it is negotiable, but up here I can order as few as 10 products and just test out the units and not be in so much money there. So just at a quick glance, I can click into these guys and probably start contacting them and start creating my own product brand with them. I've actually already talked to a skateboard manufacturer and I can give them my own graphic and they can build my own skateboard graphic and make a Luke W skateboard if I wanted something like that. So I could go right here, say contact supplier, and get in talks to start building my own product brand with them right there. But all in all, I recommend you guys come down, check out the Elite Partner event for June. Alibaba.com is coming out with so many new innovations, and they're really handpicking things and just giving it to you the simplest way possible. They even have live supplier demos. You can type in during one of their live streams and ask them questions about products you may be interested in. So I'm really excited to see what Alibaba.com is going to have going forward. But from here on out, I think it's up to you guys to take the next step. Sign up for the Alibaba account and just start navigating around. Again, if you don't know where you want to ship these products or how you can actually sell them, I will have my Amazon Seller Pro course linked right down below, which is a step-by-step A to Z guide. Every video that you need to become a successful Amazon seller is there. I've created it, broken it down in the easiest way. You'll be able to join the student Facebook group, and I'm there to help you with text message support along the way. Thanks so much for watching this video, and until next time, we'll see you later. Peace out.